Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, already we have done question answer 1, 2, 3 of lesson 9. So, student, today we will do question answer number 4 and match the following of this lesson. Now, let's start. Now, student, first date, date 1st December 2020. Okay, now then CW, after this lesson 9 or body. Okay, now our body. Student, now question number 4. You know already question number 1, 2, 3 we have done. Now question number 4. Name different organs of circulatory system. Please write the correct spelling. Circulatory system. Okay, now answer. The heart and blood vessels are the different organs of circulatory system. Okay, now question is name different organs of circulatory system. Answer is the heart and blood vessels are the different organs of circulatory system. Okay, now student, second exercise, match the following. Now first is skeletal system. Okay, now answer is skull. Okay, now student, you know skull is a part of skeleton system. Skull is a bony structure that form the head. Our brain is protected by the skull. Okay, now second is digestive system. Digestive system. Okay, now digestive system, answer is anus. Okay, now student, our digestive system is made up of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So anus is a part of digestive system. Okay, now clear. Third is respiratory system. Okay, now respiratory system. Please write the correct spelling. Now answer is lungs. Okay, now lungs. Now student, you know nose, windpipe and lungs are the main organs of respiratory system. Okay, now student, fourth is circulatory system. circulatory system. Now answer is heart. Okay, now answer is heart. You know student, the heart, blood vessels and blood form the circulatory system. Okay, now fifth is nervous system. Nervous system. Okay, now answer is brain. Student, the brain, spinal cord and nerves form our nervous system. Student, I am repeating again. Now listen carefully. Fourth question, name different organ of circulatory system. Answer is the heart and blood vessels are the different organs of circulatory system. Okay, now match the following. First is skeleton system. Answer skull. Second, digestive system. Answer anus. Third, respiratory system. Answer lungs. Fourth, circulatory system. Answer heart. Now fifth, nervous system. Answer is brain. Now student, draw and color respiratory system in your science copy. Now this is nose. Okay, now windpipe and lungs. Student, you know we breathe through the respiratory system. We take oxygen by breath. This oxygen enters our body through nose. Okay, then oxygen goes into the lungs. Okay, now in the lungs through the windpipe. Okay, now the main function of the respiratory system is oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. Today we have done question number 4 and matched the following of lesson 9. Hope it would be clear. Now homework, learn match the following of lesson 9. Have a nice day. Thank you.